Morehouse has an exciting announcement. We are now accredited by both A2LA and NVLAP for force and torque calibrations. We strive to raise our standards and your expectations constantly. Getting better every day. Third-party assessments give just a snapshot of your operations every other year. We're doubling this frequency with both NVLAP and A2LA assessments. This reduces our risk internally and instills confidence and trust with our customers. Being assessed by two great organizations more frequently allows Morehouse to get better by implementing suggestions by the auditing teams. Our deadweight primary standards are known to be better than 0.002% of applied force. This is 20 to 50 times more accurate than industry norms. We still maintain a calibration turnaround time of 7 to 10 days, sometimes weeks better than the current industry average. Education, training, and support to help you make better measurement. These measures help both of us make the world a safer place. Morehouse Force and Torque Calibration Services. To reduce your rework, lower your measurement risk, and help make the world a safer place, please contact us. By phone, 717-843-0081, by email, info@mhforce.com, or on the web, mhforce.com.